Namaste. Namaste, Gautam bhai. Good morning. So
Good
we'll
morning.
start this MOU ceremony.
हाँ जी.
Uh, and as per the tradition of Atmiya University, we'll start our ceremony with prayer. We are blessed by the auspicious presence of Param Pujya Tyag Vallabh Swamiji. Jai Somnath Swamiji.
Jai
जय
Somnath.
स्वामीनारायण.
So with this, I'll start with prayer.
Yes, we can.
Thank you all. Fine. So, with the blessings of His Divine Holiness, Param Pujya Hari Prasad Swamiji, with the mentoring support and motivation by Param Pujya Tyag Vallabh Swamiji, and with the efforts of the leadership committees, heads of the departments, as well as the faculty members of Atmiya University, we are following various steps for better teaching and learning opportunities to be given to students and stakeholders of Atmiya University. As a part of that, today at this auspicious day, we have this MOU signing ceremony between Atmiya University and Hayagriva Software Private Limited. And basically this MOU is for one of the new concept, or we can say new course, that will change the identity of what we are daily using, that is CCTV. The identity of use of CCTV through the course of CCTV footage auditing course. And after heavy deliberations between Atmiya University, officials of Atmiya University and officials of Hayagriva Software Private Limited, today we will be signing a formal memorandum of understanding between Atmiya University and Hayagriva Software Private Limited based on Mumbai. So at this juncture, I would like to welcome all who are present here at Atmiya University, in the boardroom of Atmiya University. To start with, I would like to welcome our mentor, Param Pujya Tyag Vallabh Swamiji, who has joined online through Haridham Sokhda. On our side, on the side of Atmiya University, we have Dr. D.D. Vyas, who is Dean of Transformative Academics, Atmiya University. We have Dr. G.D. Acharya, who is Professor Emeritus of Atmiya University. We have Dr. Manhar Kagatra, who is Principal of School of Diploma Studies, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Atmiya University. We have Dr. Vishal Khasgiwala sir, who is Dean of Faculty of Business and Commerce at Atmiya University. And we are waiting for the presence of one of our principal, Dr. K.D. Ladwa, who is principal of our Grantinate College, that is Virani Science College. We have we have an online presence of Dr. H.M. Tak, who is the Dean of Faculty of Paramedical Sciences and who has joined from Canada. He is right now at Canada. We have two of the faculty members from Department of Computer Engineering who will be taking forward this course to the students of Atmiya University, along with our team of CCTV footage and auditive Sandeep Bhai Donga, to whom we met, as well as Jignesh Bhai Ganatra, who is our network administrator. So at Atmiya University side, we are this many people are present, and all the heads of the department are have joined this MOU ceremony online through their places. Also, we have the presence of Dr. Professor Sheila Ramchandran, who is Pro-Chancellor of our Atmiya University. She joined right now. Welcome, madam. From
Good morning.
from the
Jai
side of
Yeah.
Jai Somnath, madam. Yeah.
Yes.
From the side of Gautam Bhai, that is from Hayagriva Software Private Limited, we have Gautam Gorodia sir, to whom we are working and we are talking continuously for this MOU. We have Vikram Gorodia, who is director of the company. Ami Ben Gorodia, who is the director and vice president of Knowledge Properties. We have Dr. S. Rajendran, board member and mentor of Hayagriva. We have Mr. Abbasi, who is senior vice president of finance and admin. We have Shaktiman Sethi. We have Ravi Hemadi, vice president of IT infrastructure. We have Rohini Gorodia, who is vice president of marketing, and Jainish Shah, who is vice president of training and So on behalf of Atmiya University, I welcome the team of Hayagriva Private Limited. So with this welcome note, I would like to request Dr. D.D. Vyas, who is Dean of Transformative Academics at Atmiya University, to formally introduce Atmiya University to the team of Hayagriva Private Limited.
Thank you, Ashish sir. My humble prayers in the lotus feet of Lord Swaminarayan, His Divine Holiness Hari Prasad Swamiji Maharaj, and Param Pujya Tyag Swamiji Maharaj. I would request Ashish sir to share the presentation. Yeah. Next, please. Yeah. Next, Ashish. I would take this opportunity to introduce in brief Atmiya University and what basically is the vision, the vision, as well as the way in which the Atmiya University has came into existence. It's a long journey of 30 plus years in academic excellence. Atmiya University basically believes in transformative learning, and this is what is reflected in the vision of the university also, which states that the vision is to nurture creative thinkers and leaders through transformative learning. Next, Ashish sir. Atmiya University is basically a state private university established in 2018 under Gujarat Private University Act. The university is located in Rajkot, which is the educational and economic hub of Saurashtra region in Gujarat. The campus spreads over 21.5 acres of land in the heart of the city, and the campus is popularly known in Rajkot by the name of Yogidham Gurukul. It is known as an Gurukul because it represents a 21st century spiritual educational commune that works towards synthesizing values, science, technology, and spirituality. The campus runs courses right from KG to PhD and different areas of research. And the sole purpose, the sole endeavor is to develop youth intellectually, socially, emotionally, and most importantly, spiritually, through the medium of education. The university is promoted by Sarvodaya Kedauni Samaj Trust with a parent trust as Yogi Divine Society, which has a global presence. Yogi Divine Society primarily works towards promoting culture, religion, and moral values among the youth through educational and social activities across the globe. Sarvodaya Kedauni Samaj, the trust promoting, we can go to the next slide. The Sarvodaya Kedauni Samaj, the trust promoting Atmiya University, is registered under Bombay Public Trust Act, and it works towards achieving the vision of Yogi Divine Society. Next, please. If I try to brief the journey of this university, then the campus has an educational journey of 30 plus years of excellence, starting in the year 1988. Next, please. This would give us a 1988 with a single college, not in a good shape, with around 30 to 40 students, 50 plus staff, running only one science program. This was the time when the trust took over the campus and started putting their sincere efforts towards enriching this education with an education which meets the global standard. This became possible under the leadership of Param Pujya Tyag Swamiji and with the blessings of Param Pujya Hari Prasad Swamiji. By time, the campus started number of educational programs covering almost all disciplines: engineering, pharmacy, diploma studies, commerce, science, etc. And in 2018, we have an establishment of Atmiya University. Currently, Atmiya University has 5 faculties: Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Faculty of Paramedical Science, Faculty of Business and Commerce, Faculty of Science, and Faculties of Humanities and Social Science. This in total spans over 23 departments with 8,000 plus students. The campus has presence of 250 plus committed, well qualified and dedicated faculty members, and currently runs 5 diploma courses, 28 UG programs, 18 PG programs, 1 integrated program, 1 PG diploma program, and 11 programs towards doctorate degrees. The campus also has the presence of M.N. Virani Science College, which is an autonomous grant-in-aid unit, and schools both towards Gujarat, both affiliated towards Gujarat Board as well as CBSE. Over this span of 30 plus years, the campus would have around 1 lakh plus alumni globally spread, acting as our ambassadors. Out of 250 plus faculties present at the campus, we have 100 plus faculties who are doctorate. The campus would have around 1,500 plus research publications, 50 plus patents, around 1,000 plus startups and entrepreneurs, and currently 10 plus national and international active MOUs. Particularly to talk about the significant MOUs that are currently active, we have MOUs in academics with international organizations like University of Miyazaki, Japan, KGI Institute, USA, and Lincoln University College, Malaysia. We also have current active MOUs with industries like Tele, Brokers Forum, EBP, Infinity, and other industries. We also have MOUs towards Sector Skill Council. We are associated with Logistic Sector Skill Council, as well as we are associated with Atal Incubation Center towards NIFTW, TTE, NIFTY, right? This was basically the brief from Atmiya University. And I'm sure that this MOU with which we are proceeding today would add one more stream to which we can cater in academics, and thereby we can work towards building a strong nation. Thank you from my side. Thank you very much.
Shall I proceed?
Now, may I request Sri Gautamji for a brief about the company and the scope of MOU.
First of all, with the Vandana to Ganeshji, the mother, my guru, departed parents, Param Pujya Tyagolak Swamiji, and all the esteemed members, Dr. Kothari, Dr. Vyas, Dr. Sheila Ramchandran, and others from Atmiya University. I also welcome the key members of Hayagriva Software. And before anything else, I'd like to mention, Param Pujya Swamiji would know that the word Hayagriva relates to knowledge. It is an avatar of mission. So we are truly blessed today. Besides being a great honor, we are blessed that we have been able to, after many deliberations, and thanks to my dear friend Bharat Doshi, who insisted that I should speak with Pujya Swamiji and take this forward. It is indeed a very momentous occasion for us. This is the third MOU in the string of MOUs that we would like to sign. The first one being with the national important university of national importance, the first policing university started by our Honorable Prime Minister and Home Minister, who were Chief Ministers and Home Ministers respectively in Gujarat, with Rashtriya Raksha University. Last week we signed a MOU with RV College of Engineering, where my company is a part of the Center for CCTV Research, where we are trying to set certain protocols. And now with your prestigious university, which I must say, I'm extremely impressed with the kind of history that you have and with the kind of work that you have been doing in these past 30 years. It would be very right for me to say here that Rajkot naturally holds a very important place in my life, because my wife is the daughter of Dr. Tolia. And therefore, at the earliest endeavor, we shall both come to seek blessings from Swamiji. Let me give you a few words about software. And although my brother and I come from a textiles family, so we basically we have a textile background, but destiny perhaps led us to developing a product which nobody had thought, and we found a wide space in the area of video. And I am to be honest, this is not completely a planned journey. This is a journey we stumbled upon. We realized about 8 years ago that globally, CCTV was not even a fraction of what it can be. So while there are large organizations like Motorola, and the reason I take their name is because they have come out, they have just published last year, they published a very detailed report on video surveillance and where the industry is going. And it is very unfortunate that while the industry only thinks about the number of cameras, which will be close to 45 billion in the next 5 years. So approximately 6 cameras per human being on the face of this earth. So while the number of cameras are increasing, nobody has thought of a solution which can empower every user of CCTV with a tool that will allow him or her to obtain and achieve optimal outcomes from this very visually rich source of information. What has unfortunately happened globally is that CCTV has become fit and forget. And we look at CCTV when something goes wrong, which is where I have a fundamental problem. Because nobody can ever be sure that nothing went wrong. Anything that is not reported or underreported, one will never know. And secondly, when you have so many cameras working for you, why are you waiting for things to go wrong? So we need to have a completely different mindset now as to how CCTV should be used by every user of CCTV. I am happy to note that you have an MOU with Tally, which has become a kind of a de facto tool for accounting, at least in India. So Tally is a platform. It opens up some blank forms in front of you. And when you put in your figures there, it will do the necessary work for you. But there is human intervention. Tally is not going to do anything on its own. It will surely build the balance sheet and it will build a profit and loss account and all of that. In the same way, please consider ComSir to be a platform over a video feed which solves humongous amount of problems for every user of CCTV, irrespective of the type of camera or video management system, or irrespective of the vertical which relates to where the cameras are placed. So like we say, the utility value of ComSir lies from an airport to a zoo, A to Z. And because in this long journey of 8 years, specifically very focused on simply building a very robust product. And our vision was always that India has been known to be a service delivery country in terms of software. Very few companies like Tally have created a product which is used by the world. It was our vision that we will develop a product that will be used by the world. And I pray that with such associations and blessings of Swamiji, we will be able to achieve this vision. I do remember a year and a half ago when I was blessed enough to meet Param Pujya Brahma Vihari Swamiji in Dubai. And I had very briefly discussed our product with him. And he was very quick to the uptake and to understand that had the Akshardham Mandir, if we had this product working at that time, perhaps the attack could have been prevented, perhaps. When during my interaction with Atmiya University, some very pertinent questions had been put to me by the CCTV team. That when there are so many students, how will we ever be able to recognize who is carrying out a recce? Yes, I agree with you. You will not be able to recognize. But over a period of time with consistent and dedicated auditing, you will begin to see the difference. It is not going to happen overnight. This is a dedicated process. But this is a process where you will be highly empowered and better empowered, not only in enhancing the safety and security of the university, of its students, teachers, and its assets, but you will be able to take all the benefits which are generally forgotten. So benefits related to operational efficiency, benefits related to health and safety, benefits related to risk mitigation. And over a period of time, it will lead to continuous improvement, or what is in Japan called the Kaizen philosophy. Just this morning, in my email to Dr. Bimal Patel, Vice Chancellor of Rashtriya Raksha University, I have suggested that this course should start from school. And I'm so happy to know that you have won over 100 schools. Now, although India does not have a compulsory military service, but why can we not train our students of 8th standard and above? They're all very clever. This generation is very clever. To take this course and start with protecting their own families, protecting their own housing complexes. And over a period of time, what it will lead to is great national pride and pride in keeping their country safer. Because the idea is, the entire idea of this course is not just to teach somebody something. The idea, the larger vision of this course is to make this globe a safer place. And let us start our own country, because this is a proudly made in India product. So in my mail to Dr. Patel, I have recommended that we should speak with our Honorable Prime Minister, with the Home Minister, with the National Security Advisor, and bring to their attention that how this made in India product can show a vision to the world as to how India can contribute. And I like to say this many times, that just like India gave Shunya, Aryabhatta gave Shunya to the world, now India can give Suraksha to the world. It is a very fine product, and it takes a while for people to understand it, and I don't blame people. You never miss something that you did not know about. 20 years ago, we never missed Google. We never missed Facebook. We never missed WhatsApp. Today, these have become part of our lives. We cannot do without them. In the same way, we have not missed ComServe because there was no concept of auditing CCTV footage as a standard operating procedure. I am very happy to know in your presentation and during my interaction with Dr. Kothari about your schools. And when I speak about schools, I like to say at every occasion is about the horrific incident that took place at a school in Gurugram in 2017, when a 7-year-old boy was killed in school, which in my opinion was completely avoidable, completely preventable, had the school made proper and optimal use of their CCTV systems. The reason I bring this up is because 2 reasons. After that incident, governments, boards, everybody raised a hue and cry that you must have more, increase the number of cameras in this country at schools. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with the number of cameras. Add as many cameras as you want. But please make sure that you see, as responsible administrators of schools, that you see what the camera saw as a standard operating procedure. Do not wait for things to go wrong. After that incident, I will share some statistics that have been collected by our organization, available in the public domain. Serious reported incidents in this country have crossed more than 50 since that incident. 650, of which 50 have been deaths in school, several suicide cases, several kinds of molestation cases, several kinds of cases where students have been mercilessly beaten, and even 5 intrusions of leopards in schools, as good international schools and in cities like Bangalore. Since you are in Gujarat, we should not also forget that the entire Gujarat government, the Secretariat of Gujarat, stopped working for an entire day because of a leopard intrusion. And please remember that the CCTV cameras were watching that leopard as well. And that poor leopard, like us humans, the one common thing besides some common things that we all have, faculties, the one common thing is the instinct of survival. So even a leopard will carry out his recce to find out whether he or she can find some food and whether it is safe for him or her to enter these premises. And guess what? CCTV cameras are watching that as well. If only we spend 30 minutes a day, that's all I'm requesting to start with. Spend 30-40 minutes a day to audit your CCTV footage as a standard operating procedure. So with these words, I would thank Atmiya University, Param Pujya Swamiji for giving us this opportunity. And I assure you that in right earnestness, we will stand by you to ensure that we are able to bring this very unique technology to various kinds of stakeholders, not just your students, various kinds of stakeholders, and ensure that our joint vision comes to fruition. Thank you very much. Jai Swaminarayan, Jai Hind.
Maybe now, with the permission of Param Pujya Tyag Swamiji and our respected Pro-Chancellor Madam, we may go forward towards the MOU signing ceremony.
Yes. Take a minute. Yes, we can go ahead.
Thank you. Thank you, Swamiji. Lama mungkin naman.
Pranam Swamiji.
Pranam Gautam.
I'm sure this MOU would give us a new direction and a new thought process, as you mentioned in your deliberations, sir. With this signing ceremony, now I would request Param Pujya Tyag Swamiji for his blessings and guidance. Param Pujya Tyag Swamiji.
ब्रह्मानंदम परम सुखदम केवलम ज्ञानमूर्तिम द्वंद्वातीतम गगन सदृशम तत्वमस्यादि लक्ष्यम एकम नित्यम विमलमचलम सर्वदी साक्षीभूतम भावातीतम त्रिगुणरहितम सद्गुरुम तम नमः। आज के इस मंगल अवसर पर भगवान के श्री चरणों में और गुरुदेव गुरु हरि हरिप्रसाद स्वामी जी महाराज के श्री चरणों में हम सभी की ओर से प्रणाम करते हुए आत्मीय यूनिवर्सिटी की ओर से और हैदराबाद सॉफ्टवेयर प्राइवेट लिमिटेड की ओर से उपस्थित सभी आत्मीय स्वजनों का सबसे पहले हार्दिक स्वागत है। बहुत खुशी की बात है, काफी समय पहले अपने स्वजन श्री भरत भाई ने इस सॉफ्टवेयर के बारे में हमें बहुत डिटेल में बताया था। एक बार उन्होंने राजकोट में ऑन ईमेल भी पूरा डिटेल उन्होंने भेजने का प्रयास किया था, लेकिन जैसे हम मानते हैं कि जो समय जिसके लिए निश्चित होता है उसी समय पर वो कार्य संपन्न होता है। तो आज भगवान की कृपा से और स्वामी जी महाराज के आशीर्वाद से गौतम भाई और उनकी टीम के प्रयास से और हमारे प्रो चांसलर मैडम की लीडरशिप में अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी के सभी हमारे फैकल्टीज और पूरी टीम के प्रयास से आज ये एमओयू हो रहा है, वो बड़ी खुशी का अवसर है। गौतम भाई ने जैसे पूरी डिटेल में बताया कि सॉफ्टवेयर का इम्पोर्टेंस एक इंडिविजुअल छोटे से छोटे इंस्टीट्यूट या किसी भी कैंपस या कॉमन से लेके ग्लोबली किस तरह से इसका इम्पोर्टेंस है। तो आज के इस समय पर जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज के लिए, एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी के लिए भी मुझे लगता है कि इसका एक ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम कोर्स अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी के द्वारा जो इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाएगा शॉर्ट टाइम में, उससे बहुत सारे बच्चों को इसका बेनिफिट मिलेगा। क्योंकि अब छोटे से छोटे शॉप से लेके सब लोग चाहते हैं कि वो सीसीटीवी कैमरास को वो निगरान के लिए लगाएं। अभी हमारे देश में भी देखें तो आर्मी में भी कुछ घटना ऐसी घटी है कि गौतम भाई ने जैसे बताया कि अगर हमारे पास ये सिस्टम पूरा एकदम साउंड प्रूफ है और अच्छे से हम उसको यूज करते हैं और हमारे पास ऐसा ट्रेन मैन पावर है, तो डेफिनेटली इससे काफी कुछ बेनिफिट हम ले सकते हैं। तो गुरुदेव गुरु हरि हरिप्रसाद स्वामी जी महाराज का विजन यही है कि यहाँ पढ़ाई के लिए जो बच्चे आते हैं, या तो बायलाज इसे कह सकते हैं कि जो भी यूथ है, हमारा देश पूरी दुनिया में पूरे विश्व में यंगस्टर्स के लिए जाना जाता है। हमारे फॉर्मर प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर एपीजे कलाम कहते थे कि 65% प्लस इस कंट्री में यूथ पॉपुलेशन है। तो इस यूथ पॉपुलेशन को कुछ उसके हाथ में काम मिलेगा तो धीरे धीरे करके एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी भी बढ़ सकती है। हमारे प्रेजेंट प्राइम मिनिस्टर भी यही चाहते हैं कि हर हाथ को काम मिले। तो इस दिशा में हाईग्रीव सॉफ्टवेयर प्राइवेट लिमिटेड का ये प्रयास मुझे लगता है बहुत ही सराहनीय है। स्वामी जी महाराज ये भी चाहते हैं कि हमारे यहाँ जो बच्चे पढ़ाई के लिए आते हैं वो बच्चों को हम अच्छे से अच्छी शिक्षा, समय के साथ जो एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी है वो टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में भी अवगत कराएं, उसका ज्ञान देने का पूरा प्रयास करें। उसके लिए बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और फैसिलिटी हम प्रोवाइड करें और उसके साथ साथ हम वैल्यू एजुकेशन पर भी पूरा ध्यान दें, पूरा फोकस करें। क्योंकि टेक्नोलॉजी अगर वो आत्मसात कर लेते हैं, लेकिन अगर इन बच्चों में हमने वैल्यू एजुकेशन नहीं दिया, उनको वैल्यू से अवगत नहीं कराया, तो उनको संस्कारों की दीक्षा नहीं दी, तो वो टेक्नोलॉजी डिस्ट्रक्टिव मार्ग पे भी यूटिलाइज हो सकती है। तो हमारा प्रयास ये है कि हमारे अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी के कैंपस में योगीधाम गुरुकुल में आने वाला हर बच्चा एक जीवंत मानव मंदिर बने। ये भावना गुरुदेव गुरु हरि हरिप्रसाद स्वामी जी महाराज की है। और दूसरी भावना उनकी है कि हर घर मंदिर बने। मंदिर में तो हम जाते हैं, भगवान के सामने नतमस्तक होते हैं, हाथ जोड़ते हैं, अच्छे के लिए, सुख के लिए, मंगल कामनाओं के लिए प्रेयर करते हैं, लेकिन अगर हर घर ऐसी हार्मनी से जीना शुरू करेंगे, आत्मीयता से जीना शुरू करेंगे, भगवान को आगे रख के सबका भला चाहेंगे, सबका अच्छा हो ऐसा भाव सबके दिल में होगा, हृदय में होगा, तो हर घर अपने आप में मंदिर बनेगा। तो इस इच्छा में भी, जैसे आज गौतम भाई ने बताया कि आज ये जो प्रोग्राम है पूरा, ये सॉफ्टवेयर है पूरे वर्ल्ड के लिए एक लीडिंग है, उसी तरह हर मानव को मंदिर बनाने का जो आत्मीय यूनिवर्सिटी का जो प्रोजेक्ट है, वो भी मुझे लगता है कि देश और दुनिया के लिए एक आदर्श, एक मॉडल के रूप में साबित होगा। आने वाले दिनों में हम एक इंटीग्रेटेड बीएड प्रोग्राम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं, तो उस प्रोग्राम पर भी पूरा जो इनोवेटिव इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोग्राम के रूप में हमें परमिशन मिलने की अभी कुछ दिनों में ही शायद वो परमिशन हमें मिल जाएगी एनसीटी से। उसमें भी हम वैल्यू एडिशन को मैक्सिमम उस पर ध्यान देना चाहते हैं कि मास्टर्स डिग्री के हिसाब से उसमें जो सब्जेक्टिव पार्ट पढ़ाना है वो तो हम डेफिनेटली पढ़ाएंगे, लेकिन हमारी पूरी टीम, हमारे प्रो चांसलर मैम की नेतृत्व में जो सब फैकल्टीज और सारे डीन्स जो काम कर रहे हैं, वो इसी दिशा में ध्यान दे के कर रहे हैं कि हमारे यहाँ आने वाले हर बच्चे को हम एक अच्छा इंसान कैसे बनाए, सबके साथ मिलजुल के जीना उसे कैसे सिखाएं, एक अच्छा सिविलियन कैसे बने, और देश और दुनिया में भारत को आगे ले जाने के प्रयास में वो हमेशा अग्रसर कैसे बन के रहे, यही भावना के साथ आत्मीय यूनिवर्सिटी का पूरा कम्युन कार्यरत है। स्वामी जी महाराज जी बताते हैं कि संतों का काम ही यही है, साधु संतों भगवंतों का काम यही है कि समाज को वो दिशा निर्देश करें, और इसलिए वो कहते हैं हमें कि साधना के पथ पर चलते चलते अगर हम ये काम कर सकते हैं संस्कार और संस्कृति के लिए, धर्म के लिए, तो उससे बढ़कर कोई भक्ति नहीं हो सकती, उसके बढ़कर कोई यज्ञ नहीं हो सकता। तो उसी दिशा में आज एक कदम हम और आगे हमारे बच्चों के लिए और बाय एंड लार्ज हमारे पूरे रीजन के बच्चों के लिए ये प्रोग्राम अगर हम अभी प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन में ऑनलाइन कोर्स के रूप में भी देते हैं तो बहुत बच्चों को इसका बेनिफिट हो सकता है। इसमें जरूरी नहीं है कि आईटी कंप्यूटर के बच्चे ही इसका बेनिफिट ले पाएंगे, जरूरी नहीं है कि इसमें सिर्फ टेक्नोलॉजी के बच्चे ही इसका बेनिफिट ले पाएंगे। मुझे लगता है कि इसमें आज के बच्चे जो स्मार्टफोन यूज कर रहे हैं, जैसे गौतम भाई ने बताया कि वो बहुत ही क्लेवर हैं, तो कोई भी स्ट्रीम से आने वाले बच्चे इसको इसके कोर्स के माध्यम से अपना ब्रेड बटर अर्निंग करने के लिए अपने आप को सक्षम जरूर बना सकता है, और भी इनोवेशन इसमें आगे किस तरह से कर सकते हैं दिशा निर्देश भी मिलता है कि अगर हाईग्रेव सॉफ्टवेयर सॉल्यूशन ऐसा सोच सकता है, कुछ हटके सोच सकता है, कुछ नया दे सकता है, तो इस देश का हर बच्चा इस तरह आईटी में तो मतलब पूरे विश्व में हमारा वो रेपुटेशन है कि भारत सबसे आगे है, तो हमारा देश, हमारा युवा धन सबसे आगे ही रहें और आगे बढ़ते जाएं, और पूरी ह्यूमन कम्युनिटी के लिए, पूरे विश्व के लिए जो पॉजिटिव वर्क करना है उस दिशा में हम आगे बढ़े। तो आज इस एमओयू के माध्यम से आत्मीय यूनिवर्सिटी और हाईग्रेव सॉफ्टवेयर प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के माध्यम से हम एक अच्छा कदम आगे लेने के लिए, आगे ले जाने के लिए जो प्रयास कर रहे हैं, सबको उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और आने वाले दिनों में इसका बेनिफिट मैक्सिमम युवाओं को मिले, इस भावना के साथ सभी को नमस्कार। जय स्वामीनारायण।
प्रणाम स्वामी जी।
प्रणाम। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Jai Swaminarayan Swamiji. Thank you, Swamiji, for your blessings. We are blessed by such a wonderful speech, both in terms of technology also, and in terms of what we are thinking from last 7 years as a university. So you have given us as well as idea to Harigriva Software Private Limited people also, that what Atmiya University is thinking for the globalization and humanization of the people in both skills as well as values. Thank you for the blessings, Swamiji. So with this, I would like to thank both the leadership team, heads of the department, Pro Chancellor Madam, and whoever are present from the university side, online as well as offline, in this signing ceremony of this MOU. I would like to thank those. I would like to thank all the people who have joined online from Hayagriva Software Private Limited. I would specifically thank Gautam Bhai for taking this forward and taking follow-ups from Swamiji and make this event happen. I thank all associated with this MOU signing ceremony. Thank you all. And with the permission of Param Pujya Tyag Swamiji and respected Pro Chancellor Madam, can we conclude this meeting? And if anything from your side, Gautam Bhai.
So, Swamiji, I'd
Yes,
like
Gautam.
to, Haji, Swamiji, I'd like to add a few words in Gujarati, if you don't mind.
जी
Yes.
जी जी
तो સ્વામીજી મારું એક આપને વિનંતી છે આ યુનિવર્સિટીને કે એમઓયુ તો
જી.
આપણે સહી કરી લીધું એમઓયુ
જી.
સહી કરી લીધું આપણે આને ઓનલાઈન ઓફલાઈન કોર્સ પણ શરૂ કરશું પણ આપણે સાથે મળીને આની જેટલી અવેરનેસ આપણે ફેલાવશું ભક્તોમાં લોકોમાં સાઇન બોર્ડ ચેન્જ કરીને આપની કૃપાથી આપણા મંદિરોમાં મસ્જિદોમાં ચર્ચમાં જેટલા જેટલા આપણા રિલિજિયસ પ્લેસીસ છે which are very vulnerable targets જ્યાં જ્યાં આપણે પ્રયત્ન કરવો પડશે આ એક આપણે એક બહુ બોલ્ડ સ્ટેપ લીધો છે પ્રયત્ન કરી લીડર્સ જેટલા આપણા લીડર્સ છે એ લીડર્સને કહેવું પડશે કે આવી વસ્તુ છે આપણી પાસે આપણે આમાં આગળ વધવું જોઈએ અને જેટલા યંગ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ ને આપણે આમાં ભેગા કરશું જેમ કે આપણે એનસીસી કેડેટ્સ ને જુઓ તો જેટલા યંગ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ ને આમાં જેટલા જલ્દી ભેગા કરશું એટલો આપણો દેશ ને સમાજ સુરક્ષિત થશે નહીં તો આવા અટેક થયા જ કરવાના છે અને I am not saying that કોમસર બધું સોલ્વ કરી નાખવાનું છે નથી કરવાનું પણ ઘણું જ એમાં ઘણી જ વ્યવસ્થા વધારી આપશે ઘણું જ માણસોને સજગ રાખશે અને ઘણું જ માણસોની એક વિચારધારણા જે છે ને એ વિચારધારણા આપણે ચેન્જ કરવાની જરૂર છે તો મારે ફક્ત આટલા શબ્દો કહેવાતા સ્વામીજી અને આપના આશીર્વાદથી I am sure that this will lead to the eventual outcomes that all of us are imagining and have envisioned.
Sure, definitely.
Thank you, Gautam Bhai. And thank you, Rajendra sir, for giving a message on chat box. Fine. So I think this is one of the feather added to Atmiya University as well as maybe Hayagriva Software Private Limited.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And as discussed, we'll take this forward and we'll make both together. We will make this happen so that all the students as well as stakeholders of Atmiya University can take the advantage of the courses as well as they will contribute to the society as well as our nation, India. Thank you all. And with the permission, we can conclude this meeting.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. It's been a great event. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.